So today we are going to make French toast and some bananas. So if you are watching, if you are here for the first time, can you please subscribe with a smile? Subscribe. And then if you are a returning somebody, thank you so much, and keep watching for the best content. We're going to make a very nice and delicious and healthy French toast. So guys, before we continue with our French toast breakfast, I want to show someone this, or everyone. So Mpochikudo brought a question about the measuring cups. She said she doesn't have measuring cups, and then I want to show you guys something, So you see, these cups are not the same. It's not the same size, and I also have this one. It's also not the same size, as you can see. And this is half a cup, so I'm going to use this to measure my 250 ml of flour. And then I also have my scale, so I'm going to do it this way. Like I said, this is 125 ml, right? So you want to fill it until it's full like this, and then you have to use a knife or a scraper, anything that you have, and then you're just going to level it. And then these are half 125 ml. Okay, so now we have a 250 ml here. So I want to show you. Let's start with this one first. Yeah. So as you can see, all the flour fits in this cup. This is the smallest cup that I have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to level it and see. Yes. So this is 250 ml. I also didn't know because I don't use this cup. So this is 250 ml. And if you have this size of a cup, you can go ahead and use it. You see how small it is. It's those small cups that, people with high class, they use them to drink tea. It's too small for drinking tea, guys. But some other people, they use it to drink tea. So if you have this one, this is small, like this is the smallest cup that I have. You can even see, like, you see, it's small. So let's try with this one. I think this is the normal cup that most of the household have it. With this one, guys, you can see it's not even full. Like, this is not 250 ml. And if you measure using this type of a cup, if you have it at your home, like, you're going to mess up the whole recipe, because this is not 250 ml. Like, we still need to add like 60 or 30 ml in here. You see, it's not even full. So yeah. So let's move to this one. I know some people have this. I also have it. Some people have this as well. So let's see with this one. You see, it's not even 250 ml. Like, it's too big. This is not 250 ml, guys. So let's move to this one. To those who love tea, I'm sure they have this one. I love tea so much. This is the cup that I will normally drink tea from. Not this one, guys. You see? Like, really? This is like 2 cups in one. So this is the 250 ml. So if you have this one, you know that if you put the flour in this up until it's full, then you have 500 ml. So I don't know. Okay, let's try to weigh it out and see how many grams. It's 250 ml. So let me just clean this one. I don't know if you can see. So we want to check how much is this in grams. So this is 112 gram. This is 250. 112 grams. If you have a scale with you, this is 112 gram. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Next time I'll make sure like I show you something else also. Just comment down below if you have any question about baking or anything, then I'll make sure that I show you everything, you know. I'll make sure that we do it together, you know, so that you can see. You know, baking, it's something else. You have to be accurate with your measurement all the time. So let's move forward to our French toast. So moving forward, with me I have bananas, eggs, 3 eggs, butter, and 3 slices of brown bread. You can use any brown bread that you have. I used Albani, I think, but you can use any brown or white bread that you have. It's going to be just fine. So you just have to make sure that your eggs are fully whisked, and then you have to put your stove on medium heat when you cook this, because if you put it on high heat, you'll find that your bread inside it's still too soft. Like you can't eat it, you know, like it's too soft. So we want to cook it slowly and nice. So here we are cooking the bread, making sure that it's on low heat. Just be patient. This doesn't even take like your 10 minutes. It's going to take like six minutes, I think. And then when we turn it, you can see it's nice and golden brown, and it has cooked nicely. You see, guys. So at least today, you know, we are not making something which has a lot of fat in it. It's just a healthy breakfast meal, banana with French toast, protein in there on the eggs, and we all know that bananas are good on digestion. So I'm not a fan of bananas, but I just eat them just because they are good when it comes to digestion. And yeah, that's the story for the other day. Okay, when we continue, and then now you have to put butter also on your pan, and then we are going to slightly brown our bananas. Also, don't increase the heat. It's good when it's on medium heat, because if you do so, you end up burning those guys, you know. We don't want to burn those guys. We want them the way they are. You see, they are nice and golden brown. That's how we want them, because if you cook them too much, they are going to be mushy, and we don't want these guys to be mushy. We want them to be nice and golden brown, so that you can taste that butter in there also. You see, they are nice and golden brown. And then you can serve this with honey. I know, guys, I know some of the people, they are dieting and they want to eat a lot of sugar and whatnot. But please guys, if you don't want bananas, you can just eat your your French toast the way it is. So I'm going to serve my toast with a drizzle of honey, and that's it. So guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Comment down below. Bye.